Alright guys, we got us a 2017 WRX by Subaru STI. As you guys can see, really beautiful. It's got launch wheels on it. I guess they only come on a certain year. Got factory converter there, secondary converter there. We did a resonator delete. You ordered off Summit Racing cutouts, really cool looking cutouts. So we adapted them in on this side and on this side. And then the cutouts, what they do when he'll run the wire through here. We don't run the wire on them, but he's gonna run the wire in there, and then what they'll do is this flap opens whenever he clicks a button, and it's really cool. It makes it loud. That's the only way we could make them fit on there and keep everything else stock. So still got the factory mufflers on it, but we cut out the resonators to give it that straight pipe look and sound when he opens the cutouts. There it is. That's what it looks like. Really beautiful car. Always one of my favorites. I'm gonna get one soon, just for the heck of it. Why not? We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like. So it's WRX with a resonator delete for right now. I'll have him bring it back after he installs the cutouts. That's what it sounds like with just resonator delete. Here's sound decibels. Again, right at 93. Go ahead and back it out. WRX STI. It's a little bit louder because of the resonator delete. Let you guys hear on the inside. Amazing how the gold accents the black, man. It's really nice. It's a really nice look. I like it. Man, it's giddy.